I think I just found the biggest content cheat code on YouTube right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. If you've been scrolling YouTube lately, you've probably noticed these Ghibli-style ASMR videos popping up everywhere. And here's the crazy part. Channels with very few videos are pulling in massive views, getting watch time fast, and even getting monetized in record time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step, even if you have no animation skills. I'll also give you the exact prompts I use, all linked in the description. Before we start, take a quick look at this sample video. This entire style can be created easily, and I'll show you how right now. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT, copy the first prompt from the document, and paste it in. This prompt is designed to generate 20 original Ghibli-style ASMR video ideas. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will instantly give you 20 solid video topics. That means your next 20 days of content are already planned. Scroll through the list and pick the one that feels right for you. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Returning to the Old House for Summer. That's the topic we'll build the video around. Next, copy the script prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Once it's pasted, replace the topic section with the topic you selected and click Generate. Just like that, ChatGPT will create a full, detailed script for your video completely free. You can make it short, long, or perfectly optimized for watch time. Totally your choice. Quick pause here. Tap the I button right now to watch my video on AI tools that make money on autopilot. If you're serious about building income with AI, you don't want to miss that one. Alright, let's keep going. Now it's time to create visuals. Copy the image prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. This is a very detailed prompt and you must not skip anything. Where it says, your task is to generate X images. Just replace X with the number of images you want. For example, I'll type 30 images. Now, at the bottom of the prompt, add the story you just generated. Once you generate, ChatGPT will give you image 1 prompt, image 2 prompt, image 3 prompt, and so on. Exactly the number you asked for. But there is one big problem. Your characters must look the same throughout the entire video. In my example, I'm using the protagonist and her mother. ChatGPT already helps by giving consistent character descriptions, which makes this process much easier. Go to Google and search Whisk, click the first website that shows up, paste the protagonist image prompt, select the 16:9 aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Whisk will give you multiple versions of the character. Choose the one you like best and download it. Repeat this exact process for the mother. Now you have your main characters ready. And now, here's how to keep your characters consistent. This is where most people mess up, so pay attention. For every new image, paste the image prompt into Whisk, click Add Image, upload the character image as a reference. This forces Whisk to use the same character, same clothing, same facial features, and same expressions. If a scene needs multiple characters, you can add up to 3 reference images. If you need more, just remove the least important character for that scene. Now go to Google and search for Flow. Click Create with Flow, New Project, and select Frames to Video. Upload your image and paste the same image prompt you used earlier and wait, don't hit the Generate button yet. At the end of the prompt, add this exact line. No background music needed, only ASMR sound effects. This is the key to getting clean, natural ASMR audio without music ruining the vibe. Set aspect ratio to landscape and output to 1. Then click Generate. Within seconds, Flow will create an 8-second HD video with realistic ASMR sound effects. Click Download and select Upscale to 1080p. It usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this process for all your images. Bring all your video clips into your editor. I personally don't add background music. The natural ASMR sounds are more than enough. If needed, you can adjust volume levels, add light transitions, or trim clips for better flow. Once everything looks good, export the video. And just like that, your Ghibli-style ASMR video is complete. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Chase Profit, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next cheat code. I'll see you in the next one.